Volcanoes are a scary thing. Volcanic eruptions are called volcanic eruptions. There are many active volcanoes in our world. Today we will see the top 5 living volcanoes, which are very dangerous. Eyjafjallajokull is one of the smaller ice caps of Iceland, north of Skogar and west of Myrtle's Jokel. The ice cap covers the caldera of a volcano with a summit elevation of 1,651 meters. The volcano has erupted relatively frequently since the last glacial period, most recently in 2010, when, although relatively small for a volcanic eruption, it caused enormous disruption to air travel across northern and western Europe for a week. Mount Vesuvius is a same-strata volcano located on the Gulf of Naples in Campania, Italy, about 9 kilometers east of Naples and a short distance from the shore. It is one of several volcanoes, which form the Campanian volcanic Arc Vesuvius consists of a large cone partially encircled by the steep rim of a summit caldera, caused by the collapse of an earlier, and initially much higher structure. Mount Etna is an active stratovolcano on the east coast of Sicily, Italy, in the metropolitan city of Campania, between the cities of Messina and Catania. It lies above the convergent plate margin between the African plate and the Eurasian plate. It is one of the tallest active volcanoes in Europe, and the tallest peak in Italy south of the Alps, with a current height of 3,357 meters. Kilauea is an active shield volcano in the Hawaiian Islands. Located along the southeastern shore of the Big Island of Hawaii, the volcano is between 210,000 and 280,000 years old, and emerged above sea level about 100,000 years ago. Historically, it is the most active of the 5 volcanoes forming Hawaii Island together. Kilauea is also one of the most active volcanoes on Earth. Mount Yaser is a volcano on Tanna Island, Vanuatu, 361 meters high above sea level, on the coast near Sulphur Bay, northeast of the taller Mount Takasmara, which was active in the Pleistocene. It has a largely unvegetated pyroclastic cone with a nearly circular summit crater 400 meters in diameter. It has been erupting continuously for several hundred years, although it can usually be approached safely.